Good morning, dear student, class third. Math. Our chapter 6 is completed. Today we will start chapter 7, division. So what is called division? Division means any biggest number convert into a small number. Like suppose that you have, like example, you have 10 apples and you want to distribute within 5 person, then how many apples will get each person? It means biggest number of apple you want to distribute within only 5 person, means how much apple will get only each person means one person. So you will divide, means biggest number convert into smallest number. Like this, we know it, if 10 person is there, 10 apple is there and we have 5 person, then 5 divide 10, answer will become 2. I know this thing, I will explain. 2 apple will get each person, but how can you say, how can you divide? I will explain. It means 10, 5 person is there, we will distribute 10 apple 5 times. First 1 apple, 1 apple to each person. Then we will again distribute 1 apple again. Then apple will be finished. We know it, each person will get only 2 apples. Yes, this is like an example. It means 5 person were there. We have to distribute the apples. How you distribute? So I give 2 apple each person. Then I know it, each person will get 2 apple. This is common thing or simple thing, but we will do this thing any biggest number like 100, 1000. Then what will we do? We cannot distribute one by one. First we will find out how much apple or how much whatever thing, how can you distribute. So in this chapter we will learn more thing. Division has 4 parts. Divisor and dividend and quotient or not or and remainder. These are 4 parts of division. I gave one example of apples. Now second example, suppose that you have 20 mango and you want to distribute within 4 person, then how much mango will get one person? Then what will you do? Those who have, this is the symbol of division. This is called symbol of division. This is called symbol of division. We know it. It means 4 is divided 20. So 4, what is this? What is this called in division? This is called our divisor. This is called our divisor. And this is also symbol of division. We can write this thing like this. And 4, it is our divisor. Need of dividend. What is our dividend? 20. I wrote here 20. Now need of quotient and remainder. We will solve, then we can find out our quotient and remainder. Quotient means it is called our answer. If something is left, this is called our remainder. So we will count the table number of 4. It will be not come more than 2. But we know it 2 already less of 4. Then we will take 2 digits. We will take 2 digits, and now we will count the table number of 4. It will be not come more than 20. Then we know it 4 5 ja 20. So we will write here 5 in that place, and we will write here 4 5 ja 20. Subtracted 0 subtract 0 and 2 subtract 2 0. There will be left 0 and here left 5. So this is our quotient means each person will get 5 mango. I told here we have 20 mango and we want to distribute within 4 person equally. Then I told you can divide this thing and you can distribute it, then you will get 5 mango will get each person. There will be not left any mango, so this is called our remainder 0 or something. If suppose that there was 21 mango, then there will be left 1, so 1 is our remainder, but there is not 1, so I will give you one more example what is called remainder. Suppose that 25 divided by 3, then what will you do? We will write same thing like this. We know it 3 cannot divide 2, then we will take both digit. 3 8 is 24. 5 subtract 4 1, 2 subtract 2 0. 1 is left, there is no digit, then it is our remainder and it is our quotient. Okay, so this is called our division. In this division we will learn more thing, how can you distribute and how can you find out each things within bigger number. And one more thing in this exercise, divide by 0 and divide by 1. This thing remind it, this is very important. If 0 divide any number, answer will become 0, or divide 1, if 1 is dividing any number, then answer will become same. Those who have your dividend, I already told what is your dividend. Divisor, those who are dividing, and dividend, those who have need to distribute. And need of distribution thing, dividend, it will become same. Like this, suppose that 5 divided by 2, then answer will become 0. Or 5 divided by 1, then answer will become 5. This is our dividend and this is our quotient. But quotient and dividend both will become same if you will divide by 1. If you will divide by 0, then answer will become 0, like a divisor. So remember this thing and solve your exercise properly. I will send you some exercise. Have a good day.